Form 4 Mathematics Chapter 7 Exponential Function. Example: simplify the following expressions and express the answers with positive indexes. Question 1. A power 5 times a power negative 2. They have same base, so we can add the index, so it becomes 5 plus negative 2. So that means 5 minus 2, so it becomes 3. For question 2, division. So we'll use the big index minus the small index. So we can compare 6 is bigger than negative 3. So we can use 6 minus bracket negative 3. So it is a to the power 6 plus 3. So it is 9. Lastly, question 3. If the index is outside a power 4, so we can time. So 4 times 3. So it becomes a to the power 12. Next, I will give you 3 minutes. Try to finish question 1 to question 4. Let's check question 1. For question 1, a power 2 times a power 7. So we can add them. So a power 9. So for question 2, we'll compare the index. So the upper index is bigger than the lower index. So we can use 5 minus bracket negative 4. So a power 5 plus 4. So a to the power 9. For question 3, we can see the lower index is bigger than the upper. So we can use the big index minus the small index. So that means a to the power 14, 1 over a to the power 14. Lastly, question 4, we can time. So a to the power 3 times negative 2, so it becomes negative 6. Then we can see this index is bigger than this. So we use big index minus the small index. So it becomes 1 over a to the power 11. Now, the base of the unknown value will change to known value. And for this kind of question, you cannot use the calculator from the first step to calculate. So let's see question 1. 3 to the power 7 times 3 to the power negative 4. They have same base, so we can add the index directly. So 3 to the power 7 minus 4, so it becomes 3. For 3 to the power 3, then for this step you can use calculator. So 3 to the power 3, so you can get 27. Next, question 2. They have same base 5, and the upper index is bigger than the lower index. So we can use the bigger one minus the lower one. So 7 minus 5, so it's power 2. So 5 power 2, it is 25. Question 3. The index is outside the bracket, so we can time. So 3 times 2, so it is 2 to the power 6. Then you can use the calculator, then you can find it is 64. Now I give you 3 minutes. Try to finish exercise 1 to exercise 3. Let's see example exercise 1. So 2 to the power 5 times 2 to the power negative 3. So same base index, we can add them. So it is 2 to the power 2, so it is 4. Next, we can see the lower index is bigger than the upper index, so we use bigger one minus the lower one. So it is 1 over 3 to the power 2. So it is 1 over 9. Lastly, 2 to the power 2 bracket 2. So it's 2 to the power 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. So it is 16. Next, we will have big index. So for question 1, 3 to 200, no need to change. And for next part, 1 over 3 for black cat index 2002. So 1 to the power 202 over 3 to the power 202. Actually, 202 will give to 1 and give to 3. So for 1 power 202, actually 1 with any index is still 1. So it's 1 over 3202. Actually, you can put it like this, because 3 to the power 200 times 1 is 3 to the power 200. So we'll use the big index because this index is bigger than this. So we'll use big index minus the small index. So it becomes 1 over 3 to the power 2. So finally is 1 over 9. Okay, I will give you 3 minutes. Try to finish exercise 1. Okay, let's see this question. For 2 to the power 1003, we just copy it. And for 1 over 2 to the power 1000, 1 to the power 1000 actually 1, so it becomes 1 over 2 to the power 1000. And then you can see this index is bigger than this, so we use big index 1103 minus 1000, so it becomes 2 to the power 3, so it is 8.